Hello, great. My name is Eduardo. Thank you for sending me the picture for your trade. It looks good. It looks clean. And also, I'm going to presenting a personal video for you for the VT1300CRF, and that's 1,214 miles. This is American bike, and the price is $12,499 plus HST and licensing. This is the Stateline from and blue one that I have at the moment, and as you can see, they have the fairing is a little bit bigger than the custom, so it's like more the classic. So this is the bike at the moment, but I do have the Saber. I do have 2010 Saber, either in red or black, which is the custom, almost the same style that you have, and the black comes with the extra accessories, the levers and mirrors. Price is the same price, just different kilometers, 3,485 and 2,294. Price is $97.88 plus HST and license, so I do have the options that you could take a look there. If you have more questions, please give me a call. I'll be here to assist you anytime. Phone number 905-660-2901 and extension 209. And I'll be happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motors, thank you for contact.